Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on Samsung devices. To begin, simply long press the side button on your Galaxy phone. This action will quickly launch the Gemini interface, ready for your commands. Remember to sign into both your Samsung and Google accounts to unlock all features. Gemini is available on Galaxy phones running Android 10 or a newer version, ensuring broad compatibility for many users. Gemini offers a wide array of core features to enhance your daily tasks. It can seamlessly access information across various apps like Google Maps or YouTube. You can ask it to summarize lengthy documents, brainstorm new ideas, or even analyze images you share. For dynamic interactions, engage in real-time conversations by sharing your screen or using your camera to ask questions about what you see. Integrating Gemini into your daily routine is straightforward and highly beneficial. You can easily draft emails, plan travel itineraries, or set important reminders using simple voice or typed commands. It can also extract key details from YouTube videos, saving them directly to Samsung Notes. Furthermore, by pointing your camera at an object, Gemini can provide appliance information or helpful usage tips instantly. For more advanced usage, Gemini offers deep integration across your Samsung ecosystem. Experience seamless multi-app control, allowing Gemini to coordinate tasks between different applications effortlessly. You can also pair it with your Galaxy Watch or Buds for convenient, hands-free AI assistance on the go. Additionally, explore powerful features like deep research to gather comprehensive information, saving you valuable time and effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.